how you can start day trading as a teenager just like me. Now, if you're under 18 just like me, you will need your parents' permission to start trading. This means all the account details need to be in their name and not yours. The first step is to find a broker. This is basically the app you're going to take trades on. Now, this can either be MetaTrader 4 or it can be MetaTrader 5. Now, personally, I have MetaTrader 5 because it's more newer and more modern. But this is all dependent on preference. You can either have MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, it doesn't really matter. So now you got your broker, you want to start trading on the demo account for at least 3 months. Now within these 3 months or even more, you need to learn as much as you can from trading. Because if not, you're going to lose thousands of dollars just like I did. And trust me, it's not good. So basically, once you feel comfortable with a demo account and you're actually making really good trades, and of course really good technical analysis, you are ready for your live account. I'll say depositing at least $250 minimum. But trading is just one of those side hustles that you need money to start with. And that is probably the most frustrating thing about trading. So if you've sorted the funds and you put money into a live account, you can generate up to thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. Now yeah, this all depends on your technical analysis and your skill as a trader. So yeah, I basically just explained how to start day trading as a teenager, like in a nutshell. And if you click the link in my bio, I teach people how to trade. So you can learn how to make money just like me.